The prediction feature in Equatio makes it easy to create math and science expressions. To use, open Equatio on your preferred platform and go to the Equation Editor tab. Just start typing, and prediction will help insert the symbols and expressions you're trying to use. There's no need to remember any commands or keyboard shortcuts. It even works with formulas, like the quadratic formula. Or with writing chemical symbols. You can use prediction on any Equatio platform, whether it's Windows, Mac, Google Chrome, or the Equatio mathspace. For more information on Equatio, check out our YouTube channel or visit the link below.